Monideepa Roy Chaudhary, Jyoti Iyer, Boishakhi Bhattacharya, Noyana Bhattacharya, along with Murthy uncle and Chaurajit uncle. For solo performances, we have Rupakha Banerjee. She has been learning music for the past 9 years and is a junior scholar at the ITC Sangeet Research Academy. Previously, she used to learn music at SVMT, Rashid Khan's Academy. Presently, she is taking Taaleem under Vidushi Shubhro Guho from Agra Gharana, which was popularized by Ustad Fayaz Khan. Mayurakshi Banerjee. She is a former student of SVMT and now currently is training under Shishendu Mukherjee of Patiala Gharana, which was popularized by Ustad Bade Ghulam Ali Khan. Soham Roy Chaudhary. He started learning under the tutelage of Shankar Chakraborty, followed by Srimati Chandana Chakraborty. Now his present guru is Jayanto Sarkar. Kaustav Chakraborty. He is today's guest artist and a disciple of Pandit Ajay Chakraborty. We are honored to have Kaustav with amongst us today and would like to welcome him with a token of appreciation. Nilav will hand over a memento to Kaustav. Please give him a big round of applause. Also with us today, we have Mr. Sanjay Odhikari, who on the tabla. Please give him a big round of applause. The classical music of India includes Carnatic and Hindustani classical music. Today, we will present to you an evening full of different genres of Hindustani classical music. Hindustani classical music was developed around the 13th and 14th centuries. What we know as Hindustani classical music today was initially influenced by various factors. Persian influence and existing religious and folk music played important roles in the creation of Hindustani classical music. The practice of singing based on notes was popular even from the Vedic times when the hymns in the Samaveda were sung as Samagana. Holi Dadra is a genre of music that originated in the Bhojpur region of Bihar and was accompanied by the Dadra Tal. Bhojpuri is a language that spread rapidly from Bihar to various other places such as Uttar Pradesh, Pakistan, Mauritius, etc. In fact, Bhojpuri is the language that many people speak in India. It is the second largest after Hindi. Our first item for the evening is a Holi Dadra set in Bhojpuri, composed by Pandit V.G. Jo and will be presented to you by the chorus group.
Hey
classical circles, and this style is very important in folk songs of Rajasthan. It is Rajasthan's most sophisticated style of folk music and is the most exclusive contribution to the classical music of India. The next item of today's evening is a Mand song that will be presented to you by Mayurakshi. Hindustani classical music, mostly performed in Agra and in the Bundelkhand region. It was originally accompanied by Dadra Tal, from where the term for the genre was borrowed. But later, Dadra compositions are often found in other light tals such as Kaherwa. Dadra is a relatively more flexible form of classical music as compared to Thumri. Our next item for the evening is a Hori Dadra, which will be brought to you once again by the chorus.
Hello.